This is the Maxima 2004 SE Provide rims. Going on the side here, I just want you to make sure you can see that dent right there. And also this little side piece, can't find. It came off like last year while I was driving on 6th Street. Kind of sucks, but it's cool. Now it's time to open her up. So, this is a cold start. And I want you guys to hear it. So I'm gonna let the windows down. Just so you can hear it, so. There is no ticking on this cold start. Very nice car. I love this car, it's my first car. I put a lot of money into it. There is no, let me focus in on this. There is no check engine light. As you can see, I don't really have too much gas left. You can check. The screen is kind of dirty. Came like that. But as you can see, I have like 32 miles left. It is accurate. But, you know, this is her. She gets the job done. She does what she's supposed to do. She has all the bells and whistles, but she has no CD player. So this doesn't work, that doesn't work, the tape doesn't work, but the tape works. Kind of works, but it works. It just doesn't come out. It has a mind of its own. I got it to work. What else? I mean, literally everything else works in here. You know, you got the heated seats and everything. Got the back seat, leather, clean. Let's pull this down. I think I got some change in here. There is some change in there. That's my change. It's mine now. But I think we're gonna go on a little test drive to show y'all how this thing drives. And it drives beautiful too. Alright, so the car's all warmed up now. Let's go on a test drive. Yeah. On a test drive we go. See, there's no, the transmission does not like jump into place or anything. I just want to let that be known. The steering wheel is fully functional. Oh yes, sir. Now I would like to go on a street I could kind of take off on, but I don't really know. Let me grab this camera real quick. Very quiet car. Make a right turn. This is one of the reasons why I love this car. The torquiness of it is just crazy. Watch this. And she just gets up there like so, with no problem. I mean, you could punch it halfway, quarter way. I wouldn't do the full way, but you know, but she takes you from point A to point B. I'm gonna show this one more time if I can. I'm gonna let the windows down this time so you can hear it. And it's just a little, you know, that's all you need to do to get up. And it does what it does to get you there in a safe manner. It has all the cruise control. I turned the radio on, but I don't want to get copyrighted. This is it. Now, last time I said we had 32 miles, I said this thing doesn't jump around, right? Now, I don't know if you can see that, but we're at 31.6, and we're just doing it to it on up this hill. You got the Triptronic as well. It works, but I learned that just keeping it in the regular automatic is a little bit faster. But I mean, you could just drop 2 gears like so. And you just take off. But I like this car. And it's a nice transition over from that Triptronic sports mode back to that automatic. There's no jump or any, you know, no crazy things going on. Go on ahead, Tahoe. It's been a good test drive. Hit me up if you have any questions.